Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, heisapro, where you can become a professional designer from scratch and where you can also improve your graphic designing skills. Today, we are going to be looking at the CorelDRAW basics, and it will be a brief introduction to the CorelDRAW environment. So I'm currently using a 2021 CorelDRAW version, and there are various versions of CorelDRAW that you can use depending on your preference. So let's get started. The first default CorelDRAW document is the welcome screen, and right here we can create a new document, open an existing document, or create a new document from templates. And right here you can always open your recent designs. We can also change the CorelDRAW environment, and that is the workspace. For now, we are going to be using the default CorelDRAW workspace. To create a new document, you simply click on New Document, and right here we can name the document. So let's name it CorelDRAW Basics. Here we can select a primary color mode of either CMYK or RGB. And for the dimensions, you can adjust the page size and select any size you wish to work with, or you can create a custom size by adjusting the width and the height of the page. Right here, you can change the drawing units from inches to millimeters to centimeters and so on. For orientation, you can change it from portrait to landscape. And lastly, for the resolution, I would recommend a 300 resolution for better quality. Then you select OK. The first thing you would notice is the center page. And up here we have the page properties. We can always adjust the page size, the page dimensions, the orientation, and the drawing units, just like we did earlier. And this region is known as the property bar. And just below the property bar, we have the welcome screen and the document we are currently working on. To create a new document, you can simply click on the plus icon, and this brings out the prompt we saw earlier. So you just click OK, and a new document has been created. You can always switch between documents by clicking on the document you want to work with. To close a document, you simply go to this edge, then click on the X icon, and this closes the document. An alternative way to create a new document is by going to the top left corner, then select File, and select New. You can also close the document by going to File, then select Close. Now, apart from creating and closing a document, the file icon can also be used to open a document, open recent documents, save as, import, export, and so on. And just beside the file icon, we have other drop-down menus. And this region is known as the menu bar. And the menu bar allows us to access editing tools, create effects, edit images, edit text, create tables, customize, and so on. On the right hand side, we have the RGB color palette. And RGB stands for red, green, and blue, which are the primary colors. You would notice that every single color in this palette is derived from RGB. We also have the CMYK color palette, and CMYK stands for cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. You can always access the CMYK when you start a new document. Select the primary color mode as CMYK, and click OK. This is the CMYK color palette, and every color in this palette is derived from CMYK. On the left hand side, we have the toolbox, and these are the tools we are going to need in our design journey. In future videos, I'll discuss how to use these tools extensively. At the bottom, we have the status bar, and this shows selected tool information. Right here, we have the fill properties and the outline properties. You would understand them better in the next video. So guys, that will be all for this video. In the next video, we are going to discuss some CorelDRAW tools and how to use them. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.